Hi guys! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today we will make steamed Bibingka Bisaya. Steamed Bibingka Bisaya is a simple rice cake made of rice, coconut milk, and sugar, and is steamed in a mold lined with banana leaves. And it is popular in the Visayas and Mindanao region in the Philippines. By the way guys, there's something special we would like to share to all of you. After 5 years of marriage, there's finally fun in the oven! Please bear with us if we will not be able to upload as much as we do before. But if you have requests and suggestions, just comment down below and we will try our best to make it in the next episodes. Are you ready? Let's get started! We will need 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of coconut milk, 2/3 cup of white sugar, 3 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, rinse the rice with water and drain. After draining, add in the coconut milk and mix them together. And let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, pour it into a blender and blend it until it becomes smooth. Then, add in the sugar, baking powder, salt, and vinegar. Blend them together until well combined. Now, pour the mixture into a mold lined with banana leaves, about 3/4 full. Then, transfer them into a steamer and steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here's our finished product! Bibingka Bisaya is so soft and delicious and perfect for hot coffee. I hope you'll give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!